Hi everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. I am Arpita Sharma, your educator, and today we are going to start with in ancient Indian history the Paleolithic age. आज एंशियंट इंडियन हिस्ट्री की क्लास में हम पेलियोलिथिक एज से शुरू करने वाले हैं. दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ रियली इंपॉर्टेंट सेशन फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू and focus in this session very deeply. Also make notes, try to make notes in the class itself, okay, because if you simultaneously make notes in the class your retention power automatically increases. So let's start with the class. Before we start the class, here's a small little announcement for all of you. Unacademy has launched NCERT batches for UPSC CSE prelims which are starting from tomorrow, that is 1st Feb 2021. We are going to strengthen your basics of NCERTs. There will be two batches of NCERTs. One will be a bilingual batch, second will be English. Bilingual batch में आपको English में पढ़ाया जाएगा, यानी कि हिंदी English both. Okay, so here live classes will be taken by top Unacademy educators. I am also going to take from 8th of Feb class on 6th to 12th NCERT covering the subject science and technology for your upcoming preliminary examination. Then we have expert batches as well for all of you starting from 1st of Feb, that is tomorrow. So subscribe to Unacademy Plus and use the code SHARMA20 to get a 10% discount on your subscription. फटाफट से सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए अनअकैडमी प्लस को, नीचे लिंक दिया हुआ है डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, और ये कोड यूज़ करना मत भूलिएगा जो कि है शर्मा20, जिससे आपको ईजिली 10% डिस्काउंट भी मिल जाएगा आपके सब्सक्रिप्शन पर. So let's start with the Stone Age. Now when we talk about history, जब हम history की बात करते हैं, over here we need to understand what is history first. So the English word history comes from the Greek word called historia, which means inquiry and knowledge which is acquired by investigation. हिस्ट्री का मतलब क्या है? वो नॉलेज जब आप किसी चीज़ को इंक्वायरी करके किसी चीज़ की नॉलेज को गैदर करते हो, ठीक है. और हिस्ट्री इज़ ऑल्सो डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 पार्ट्स, दैट इज़ वी हैव प्री हिस्ट्री, वी हैव प्रोटो हिस्ट्री एंड वी हैव हिस्ट्री. प्री हिस्ट्री इज़ दैट पार्ट वेयर इन द लिटरेचर वॉज नॉट, इट डिड नॉट ओरिजिनेट, ओके, जहाँ लिटरेचर फॉर्म नहीं हुआ था. प्रोटो हिस्ट्री इज़ द ट्रांजिशन पीरियड बिटवीन प्री हिस्ट्री एंड हिस्ट्री. प्रोटो हिस्ट्री में नॉलेज गैदर करनी शुरू कर दी थी लोगों ने. इन प्री हिस्ट्री पीपल डिड नॉट हैव कंप्लीट नॉलेज ऑफ थिंग्स, they did not have awareness, but in proto history oral tradition of passing on the knowledge started, and in history we get the written evidence. So events which are occurring before the invention of writing, they are the domain of prehistory, and it is represented by the 3 stone ages, that is the Paleolithic age, Mesolithic age and the Neolithic age. Okay, so that is history. ये तो हो गया चलो आपका पार्ट हिस्ट्री का. Now let's start with the Paleolithic period. So we all know that the early man, he originated on Earth nearly 4,000 million years old ago. And the Earth's crust, the evolution of the Earth crust, it took place in 4 stages. The 4th stage is known as Quaternary stage, which is divided into 2 parts, Paleostocene and Holocene era. Paleostocene era is also known as the Ice Age, and it is the most recent, that is 20 lakh to 10,000 years before the present age. And the present age, it's a continuation of the Holocene era. जो present age है ये आपके Holocene era का continuation है, ठीक है. तो हम यहाँ पर पढ़ेंगे that Paleostocene era, the Paleolithic period is a part of this era, okay. And here the early man was found, ox, elephant and horse also originated in this period. Now here we get the hint of the early man of this period by the help of the stone tools that we have excavated, that too in Africa, because the early man, he originated in Africa, okay, not in India. So when we talk about the Indian Stone Age, it is divided into 3 parts, Old Stone Age, Late Stone Age and New Stone Age. The Old Stone Age, in this age we have the Paleolithic period. ठीक है, it is the old stone age or old paleolithic period. Here we do not have any knowledge of cultivation or house building. Okay, the late stone age is known as the mesolithic period, which belongs to prehistory. The old stone age, it belongs to your proto history. एंड न्यू स्टोन एज इट बिलोंग्स टू द जो आपका न्यू स्टोन एज है वो प्रोटो हिस्ट्री का है, ओल्ड स्टोन एज प्री हिस्ट्री का पार्ट है. ठीक है, इवन द योर मेसोलिथिक पीरियड इज ऑल्सो अ पार्ट ऑफ प्री हिस्ट्री, बट न्यूलिथिक पीरियड is a part of proto-history. Okay. Now in the Paleolithic period, there was a very famous British geologist who identified the first Paleolithic tool which belongs to the Paleolithic period, known as Pallavaram hand axe. Now it has been found near Pallavaram, which is near Madras, and it is made up of quartzite. The name of that British geologist was Robert Bruce Foote, who discovered this first Paleolithic tool called Pallavaram hand axe in 1863. He also discovered Belem caves which he discovered in 1884. These are the largest caves in Indian subcontinent which were found in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, moving ahead, आगे बढ़ते हुए, now let's see, the animal remains belonging to the Paleolithic period have been found in the Belen Valley, and according to the bones of the animals which have been found, the goats, sheep and the cattle were exploited. ठीक है, because exploited means they were used for food. They were used as food. Paleolithic culture developed in the Paleistocene period, that is in the Ice Age. Here we find the use of hand axes, cleavers, choppers, and the stone tools were used for chopping, digging and skinning. That means removing the skin of the animals. Then Paleolithic period is divided further on the basis of nature of stone tools into three different parts: early or lower Paleolithic period, middle Paleolithic period and upper Paleolithic period. So when we talk about the earliest old stone age sites, they are in Pakistan, that is near the Swan Valley, in Kashmir and Thar Desert. The lower Paleolithic tools that we have excavated have been found in the Belen Valley in Uttar Pradesh, Didwana region in Rajasthan, Narmada Valley and Bhimbetka cave in Madhya Pradesh. And here people used to live in rock shelters like the caves. Okay, केव में रहा करते थे लोग इस पीरियड में. हेयर यू कैन सी दीज आर दी टूल्स दैट बिलोंग्स टू द पेलियोलिथिक पीरियड. ओके, ये जो आपके टूल्स हैं ये पेलियोलिथिक पीरियड के टूल्स हैं. सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट टुडे. ये था आपका आज का पेलियोलिथिक पीरियड की क्लास. आई होप यू एंजॉयड दीज इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंटर्स फॉर प्रिलिमिनरी एग्जामिनेशन बिलोंगिंग टू द पेलियोलिथिक पीरियड. नाउ फर्दर वी विल कंटिन्यू विद द मेसोलिथिक पीरियड. टिल देन, थैंक यू and take care.